Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to change template size in Canva. So let's get started. First, I'm going to open up one of my designs here, and let's say I want to change the size of it. However, I do not have Canva Pro, because if you didn't already know, this feature here, you need Canva Pro to use it. But there is an alternative way to do it. Alright, so first thing we need to do is copy everything here. To do that, click and hold Ctrl A at the same time, and then Ctrl C. Now we need to head over to File in the top left corner, then click Create New Design. Now just choose the format that you want to use. For example, I am going to use logo right here. So I'm just going to click that. And all you have to do now is click and hold Ctrl V at the same time to paste it. And there you go. It's as easy as that. Just resize it so it fits perfectly. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.